we go with Test Engine, an open platform for automated testing of Canvas app. Test Engine is the evolution of Power App of testing tool. Test Engine built upon the key use cases of Test Studio. As you know that in Power App we use PowerFX language. PowerFX is the low-code language for Power Platform and that contains Test Engine. Test Engine introduced the new functionality which is screenshot that allows you to take screenshot of the app state at any point during the test run. For example, if you want to take the screenshot at the beginning and the end of test suites to capture what the end user can see. Here we can use one more new functionality which is we can reuse test recorded in Test Studio with Test Engine. Like if you are the user of Test Studio and if you have tests recorded using that tool, Microsoft providing a way you reuse that directly in Test Engine. The goal of Test Engine are to provide customer with robust testing platform for all type of Power App and to make super easy to integrate it automated into your app development processes.